Hey guys, welcome back. Let's see how to create an RFQ which fields request for quotation. Moving on to the purchase module, first of all, there you can see a new button. Simply click on that option and you will get a form like this. So first of all, we need to specify with the vendor. So here in this video, I'm just going to show you the basic information. So there you can see this is the order line. So you can specify with them. There we have the expected error, which means deliver date promised by the vendor. So you can simply provide them. And if you want to ask information from there itself, you can simply check or enable this option. There we have delivery to where we are going to get the delivery, like on the warehouse, on the receipt, something like that. Okay, so you can simply provide them. And there we have two additional tab which you need to provide, which is your product. So here simply click on add product button and which kind of product that I need, simply providing them. And if I need more quantity, so let me provide, I need 4 quantity of that particular thing. From there itself, you can simply provide the unit of measures of the product and you can provide the unit price as well. So one of the customizable desk have $300 and there you can see this is the total amount, and if you have any kind of purchase taxes, you can simply apply them. Okay. There you can find the untaxed amount and this is the total. Once you guys are done with this, now you can simply send this RFQ to the vendor. Okay, so let it load first of all. Here you can see to compose a meal, there we have a wizard and this is the quotation which means RFQ. And there you can see this is the starting message. There we have the subject points. We guys are done with that. If you want to attach any files, you can use this option as well. Now let me send this to my vendor. After onwards, you can see here our stage is changed from the RFQ to RFQ sent. And once you need to get the confirmation, you can simply click on confirm part. So that's all about this video.